lights begin to gleam, a festive, joyful winter dream. But before the shopping starts its spree, there's magic waiting just for you and me. Forget the stores, the crowded aisles, we'll craft some cheer with happy smiles. Got paper, scissors, maybe some glue, a whole new Christmas waits for me and you. Oh, the joy of paper, plain and white, turning darkness into dazzling light. With every snip and every fold so neat, we make our Christmas wonderfully sweet. It's fun, it's easy, no need to delay, making magic for a happy holiday. So grab a sheet and let your spirit soar. We'll make paper wonders and so much more. A paper chain, a rainbow bright, linking memories morning, noon, and night. A dancing angel light and full of grace, finding its home in a special place. Snowflakes sparkling, each a brand new star. Know too exactly what they are. From humble cutout, simple and so quick, to festive scenes, a happy paper trick. Oh, the joy of paper, plain and white, turning darkness into dazzling light. With every snip and every fold so neat, we make our Christmas wonderfully sweet. It's fun, it's easy, no need to delay, making magic for a happy holiday. So grab a sheet and let your spirit soar. We'll make paper wonders and so much more. No need for perfection, just a playful heart. Every little craft plays its unique part. A little glitter, maybe a crayon line, makes every ornament truly divine. It's time together, laughter in the air, a love of crafting beyond compare. And when you see them hanging bright and true, you'll know the beauty that your hands can do. Oh, the joy of paper, plain and white, turning darkness into dazzling light. With